Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about the mass transfer operation 2, unit number 6, crystallization. Topic is for solving the example for a material balance for crystallization. In a previous lecture, discuss about the overview topic. Okay, so start करिए example number 11.1, calculation of a crystal yield. Okay, the solution of a sodium nitrate in a water content 48% NaNO3 by weight at 313 Kelvin यानी कि 40 degree Celsius, and they calculate the percentage yield NaNO3 crystals that may be obtained when the temperature is reduced to the 283 Kelvin 10 degree Celsius. Also calculate the quantity of NaNO3 the crystals obtained from 100 kg of the solution. Okay, so calculate કરવાનું છે the quantity of sodium nitrate NaNO3 and obtained from 100 kg of the solutions. Okay, in a previous lecture for a material balance is this one, or the find out the yield this one. Okay, percentage yield is the amount of a solute crystallized divided by amount of solute in a feed solution multiplied 100. Okay, and the balancing equations this one for delta T Lm. Okay, the find out the solution. So what is the data? The solubility of NaNO3. Okay, solubility of the NaNO3 यानी कि 48% कंटेन આવ્યો છે તમને NaNO3 by weight at a 313 Kelvin temperature માટે यानी कि 40 degree Celsius temperature છે. They calculate the percentage yield of NaNO3 crystals that may be obtained when this temperature is reduced to 283 Kelvin यानी कि 10 degree Celsius. Also they calculate the quantity of NaNO3 crystals obtained from 100 kg of this solution. Okay, the solubility of NaNO3 in a water at 283 Kelvin 10 degree Celsius is 80.18 kg NaNO3 per 100 kg of water. Okay, in this basis, the solubility of NaNO3 in a water at a 283 Kelvin 10 degree માટે is 80.18 kg NaNO3 per 100 kg water. The solution basis કયું છે તો 100 kg feed solution F is equal to 100 kg અને X dash F is equal to 48 by 100 is equal to 0.48 weight fractions of NaNO3 in the feed માટે છે. Solution basis છે 100 kg feed solution, તો F is equal to 100 kg, the X dash F is equal to 48 by 100 is equal to 0.48 weight fractions of NaNO3 in this feed. C is equal to yield of crystals, the kg of NaNO3 crystals obtained માટે જોઈએ. The X dash is equal to solubility of NaNO3 at a 283 Kelvin is equal to 80.18 kg per 100 kg of water. L dash is equal to kg of solvent in a mother liquid માટે જોઈએ. Okay, so water balancing માટે આપણી પાસે equations છે solvent in a feed is equal to solvent in a mother liquid. Okay, તો F multiply 1 minus X dash F is equal to L dash, जो previous lecture में આપણે જોઈ ગયા था ને, this one. F is equal to C plus L plus V and L dash is equal to F in a bracket 1 minus X dash F. Okay, the water solvent balancing, the solvent in a feed is equal to solvent in the mother liquid. F is F into 1 minus X dash F is equal to L dash અને F is equal to 100, 1 minus 48 is equal to L dash. તો L dash ની કિંમત કેટલી મળે છે 1 kg. બરાબર, તો NaNO3 બેલેન્સિંગ માટે જોઈએ for anhydrous salt as a crystal form માટે NaNO3 in a feed is equal to NaNO3 obtained as a crystal form plus NaNO3 in a mother liquid. For X dash F multiply F is equal to C plus L dash into X dash. X dash F is equal to C plus F 1 minus X dash F in the X dash. So 0.48 multiply 100 is equal to C plus 100 in a bracket 1 minus 0.48, so 80.18 by 100. So C is equal to yield of this crystal form. Kilo, so 6.3 kg. Okay. Then the percentage yield of the crystals form is equal to kg of NaNO3 crystallized form and a kg of NaNO3 in the feed solution is equal to 100, multiply 100. जो solution example नो sorry. Percentage yield of the crystal is equal to amount of the solute crystallized and amount of solute in a feed solution multiplied 100. Okay, આ equations ને આપણે અહીંયા use કરીએ છીએ. The percentage yield of this crystal is equal to kg of NaNO3 crystallized and kg of NaO3 in the feed solution multiplied 100. So 6.3 by 48 multiply 100 is equal to 13.12. Okay, answer કેટલો આવે છે 13.12. This is the yield. Second one example જોઈએ. તો find the yield of Na2S2O thrice. કે સાઈને find out yield કરવાની છે આપણે Na2S3O thrice into 5H2O crystals from છે when 100 kg of the 48% Na2S3O thrice a solution is cooled to 293 Kelvin. Okay, the 20 degrees Celsius also calculate the percentage yield of the hydrated the crystal at weight Na is equal to 23, S is equal to 32, O is equal to 16 and H is equal to 1 છે term. Okay, find આપણે yield કરવાની છે જે આગળના લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા તે પ્રમાણે. Okay, so find the yield of Na2S2O thrice into 5H2O the crystals when the 100 kg of 48% Na2SO2O thrice solution is cooled to 293 Kelvin in a 20 degrees Celsius. Also calculate the percentage yield of the hydrated crystallized and the at a weight Na is equal to 23, S is equal to 32, O is equal to 16 and H is equal to 1 બધાના atomic weight તમને આપ્યા છે. Okay, all this solubility of Na2H2O thrice is a 70 parts per 100 parts of water at a 293 Kelvin in the 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, the basis 100 kg of feed solution. It contains 48 kg of Na2H2O thrice and 52 kg of water. Let's see with the yield of this crystallized. M1 is equal to molecular weight of Na2H2O thrice is equal to 158 and M2 is equal to molecular weight of Na2H2O thrice into 5H2O is equal to 248. The X dash F is equal to weight fractions of the solute in the feed solution. Okay, the weight percentage of 100 weight કેટલું છે આપણી પાસે 48 kg ના 48% of Na2SO3 and Na2H2O thrice આપેલું છે. Okay, તો કેટલા મળે છે X dash F is equal to weight fractions of solute in the feed solution 0.48. હવે મોલેક્યુલર વેટ આપણે બધાને ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કર્યા. ઇટ 100 kg ઓફ ધી ફીડ સોલ્યુશન તો આપણને આપેલો છે બરાબર. તો કન્ટેન્સ કેટલા છે 48 kg ઓફ Na2H2O thrice અને 52 kg water એટલે કે H2O. Let's see the yield of these crystals. The capital M1, the molecular weight of Na2H2O thrice is equal to 158, and M2, the molecular weight of Na2H2O thrice into 5H2O, okay, is equal to 248. The X dash F is equal to weight fractions of solute in the feed solution. The weight percentage of 100 is equal to 48 by 100 is equal to 0.48 મળશે આપણને. The material balance of water માટે find out કરીએ. The water in the feed, okay, water in the feed is equal to water of the crystallization in a crystal form માટે plus water in a mother liquid. Okay, the 52 is equal to C M2 minus M1 by M2 plus L dash. Okay, 52 is equal to C M2 minus M1 by M2 plus L dash. The L dash is equal to 52 minus C multiplied 248 minus 158 કેમ કે આપણે આગળથી મોલેક્યુલર વેટ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરેલું છે. કે the material balance of the solute માટે જોઈએ. The solute in a feed માટે is equal to solute in crystal produced plus solute in a mother liquid. The 0.48 multiply 100 is equal to C in a bracket નો ટર્મમાં 158 by 248 plus 52 in a bracket 52 minus 248 minus 158 by 248 multiply C in a bracket is over X dash. In the whole term of this X dash solubility expressed as weight ratio of a solute to solvent at a 293 Kelvin na basis પર છે. Okay, the solute in the feed માટે the solute in a crystal produced plus solute in a mother liquid, the 0.48 multiply 100 is equal to C જે મોલેક્યુલર આપણે weight find કર્યા હતા this one. Na2H2O thrice નો molecular weight છે 158 અને Na2H2O thrice into H5H2O નો molecular weight છે 248. The put is all this value. Okay, the 52 minus જે value છે put કરી છે multiply X dash. Okay, the X is equal to the solubility expressed as the weight ratio of the solute to solvent at a 293 Kelvin. The 48 is equal to 0.637 C plus 52 minus 0.363 C multiplied 70 by 100 is equal to 0.67 plus 36.4 minus the 0.254 C. The C is equal to 30.3 kg. Yield of the Na2H2O thrice into 5H2O. The crystal is equal to 30.3 kg. Okay, the find out the yield crystals Na2H2O thrice into 5H2O in the feed solution is equal to 48 multiplied by 248 by 158 is equal to 73.34 kg. Okay, the percentage yield wise જોઈએ of the hydrated crystals is equal to the hydrated crystals obtained the hydrated crystal in the feed solution multiply 100. So is equal to તેનો ઓવરઓલ આન્સર મળે છે આપણને 30.3 by 73.34 multiplied 100 is equal to 41.38 આન્સર આવે છે. ઓકે, ઇક્વેશન્સ આપણે આ યુઝ કર્યું છે yieldનું. So all the value put is answer is a 41.31. Okay, next લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે થર્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ. થોડુંક રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈ લઈએ. જે આગળ જોયું તો આપણે એનર્જી બેલેન્સ and the material balance also. This is all notification part is there. The material balance are used to calculate the yield crystallization. Which one? The feed solution F X dash F is the crystallizer. Evaporated solvent V, mother liquid L, crystal C છે. The consider the crystallization process the carried out under steady state conditions as shown in a figure. The F is equal to be the mass flow rate of feed solution in kg per hour. and the x dash f be the weight and fractions of the anhydrous, the solid in the feed solution. Okay, the C be the kg of hour of the crystals obtained, V be the mass flow rate of this evaporated solvent in kg per hour. All terms છે એના બેસિસ પર આપણે જોયું હતું. અને x dash m1 m2 l dash l તો બધાના ટર્મ આપણે ઓલરેડી જોયા છે. Finally, material balance equations F is equal to C plus L plus V. The material balance of solvent is fed as a solvent evaporated plus solvent in a mother liquid plus solvent in a hydrated crystals. Okay, F in a bracket 1 minus x dash f is equal to V plus L dash plus m2 minus m1. The last one equation is there. Percentage yield crystals is equal to amount of the solute crystallized and amount of solid in the feed solution multiplied 100. Okay, thank you so much. Next lecture માં જોઈશું આપણે example 11.3.